Small business resilience, building a strong foundation for success. Resilience is no longer optional for business owners. It's essential. Small businesses must anticipate challenges and embrace change as an opportunity to grow and strengthen their foundation. Strong financial management, including smart budgeting and creating emergency funds, ensures stability during economic downturns. This financial resilience allows proactive responses to challenges and the ability to seize new opportunities. Leverage technology to streamline operations and meet evolving customer demands. Businesses stay ahead and resilient by fostering a culture of creativity and innovation. Act today to protect and grow your business. Build resilience, embrace adaptability, and ensure success in any circumstances. Start building your foundation for the future now.